Hello, people. I'm going on recording. I don't know whether it's getting uploaded. I'm trying, but for some reason, there's some kind of glitch, so it's not happening. So, that kind of glitches in life also are the same, right? I mean, every time you encounter, see, now I can see the sunset. Can you see it? And you can see these tall palm trees. So, like I was saying, in life also, if you encounter glitches, you need to just keep going. Yeah, I mean, I have this guy friend who is part of the Happy Science group. I mean, he's a staff member there, and he has it as his status message on WhatsApp that keep walking. So I think the same applies in the case of these videos also, that 60 videos and 200 views, but until I reach 1,000 views, there's no chance of any ads being featured, which is fine, totally fine. I mean, right now it's okay. So till I get to at least 1,500 videos, and why not? Yeah, they're easy to make and easy to upload. And I've realized, just upload it. Don't think, oh my god, it's not up to the mark. Nothing in life will ever be up to the mark. Yeah, like did you know that Harper Lee's second book, yeah, the draft of her second book, Go Set a Watchman, was in her drawer, was apparently in her table drawer for 53 years before it was finally taken and made into her second book. I mean, there was a 53 year gap between her two books, and considering there was a 9 year gap between my two books, I can understand, empathize where that comes from. That sometimes you just get paralyzed, you get scared, you fear failure, so you'd rather not try. So that is one very big, I mean, this, I think, of all the videos I made, this is a very it really makes one think. Yeah. So, and someday when I kick the bucket, these videos will remain. My child is right now not with me because basically my husband is economically stronger, so he's managed to take the kid with him 5 days a week, and I get to see my child for 2 days, and that's like 48 hours in a week. And my child is he was 4 years old when um, the guy I was married to and me, like, basically he decided to separate. I mean, it was like a unilateral decision, and most things in our relationship were unilateral, but it's okay. That sounds like complaining, so I shouldn't complain. But anyway, that's just how it is. But I don't know why I'm revealing all this on YouTube, but it's just that I just want to be economically very strong now. I want these videos to do well, and I'll upload lots of them. So that's what my main point was. I'm not getting to spend all this time with my child, but someday when he's grown up and when I've kicked the bucket and I'm gone, he might see all these videos and remember how his mummy was and the kind of thought process she had. Because we have precisely one video of my mom where she's speaking into the camera, and it is so precious. I mean, my mom is actually getting emotional during that video, so just as I'm getting right now, for different reasons altogether. But death is something none of us want to really discuss. We, especially the ones who are young, we think we'll be on this planet forever, but it's just for this much time before it's all over. So on that note, thanks for watching. And this is a 4 minute video, so it's the longest video I've recorded in a long time. And I've revealed also so much about my life, but it's okay. Yeah, we are building a relationship, almost you and me, the audience. So it's nice to reveal something about your life to people, so it's okay. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.